All right, I got this LS2 Advant X modular helmet, and I got a Cardo system hooked up to it with speakers. But what I'm doing today is I am modifying my helmet to fit not just my Cardo speakers, but to fit my ear. Well, my ears, if you can see my ear. Got a big old cauliflower ear. And it hurts when I put my my helmet on and I wear it for a long time. It hurts my ear. So what I did was, this helmet already came with a place to hold the speakers, but I got these, you know, those 45 millimeter JBL speakers for the Cardo. And they're a little big, so what I had to do was hone out this this hole here that they placed here for the a speaker system. So all I did was I got my Dremel tool out, and if you can see that, I use this like it's kind of like a drill bit. It has like little blades on it, and it's round. Hopefully you can see it. Try that. And I used that, and it cut away pretty good where I had a lot of control doing it. I know it's hard to see the depth of it, but I made it deeper. And I'm going to do the same for the other side. And then I'm also going to remove a little bit of the front where my forehead hits the helmet, because it does push on my forehead a little bit. So I'm just going to take a little bit off of there. And I'll show you how I did it. Just nice and slow. You know, foam gets everywhere, so I have a little vacuum handy. Put it in there, now the speaker's nice and flush. So with the padding over, it shouldn't hurt my ear no more. All right, now I'm gonna work on the other side. So pretty much what I did is I just got my nail in here, because this is felt. The back of the speaker has like Velcro on it and sticks to this material. So I'm just lifting it up with my nail and saving it. Then I'm gonna glue it back like I did the other side. All right, so I shaved it down. All right, sorry I couldn't show you more of me shaving the foam, because it's hard to hold the camera and do a good job. But just take your time. Don't rush it. Go a little bit at a time. I probably took maybe 3 to 4 millimeters of foam out so that this will sit flush and it won't bother my ear no more. Now, the felt that I saved right here, I'm just gonna put shoe glue, which is rubber cement, which I prefer. All right, this is hard. Just, I know the lighting's not the best, but spread it around in there. So I put the shoe glue under there, and then I put the felt back on, glue it back down so my speaker can have something to stick to. And the reason why I use shoe glue, because it's pretty much rubber cement. That's all it is. Cover this back up. Reason why I use shoe glue is because one, it's strong as a bonding agent. Things stick no matter what surface you have it on. And if you want to remove what you did, it comes right off. It's kind of like, remember Elmer's glue in elementary school? Got on your hands, you can just peel it off. Well, shoe glue's the same way, except it also has a super strong bond. So if you mess up, you can always take it off and redo it. All right, so I put the speaker back in. Like I said, it's hard to do all this stuff and hold this camera, but it's nice and flush now. Okay, and we'll put the padding back in and we'll test it out. All right, so what you're looking at now is you're looking at the forehead part of the helmet right there. And I used my Dremel along with sandpaper bit. And I took off about 2 millimeters of foam. I went real slow and real careful. It was a little, it wasn't perfect, so I went over it with just some like 200 grit sandpaper, and I smoothed everything out and I contoured it to the rest of the helmet, so that's nice and smooth. Kept this edge, and hopefully now it doesn't hurt my forehead. All right, all done. This feels 100% better. My ears aren't pressing up against the speakers in the helmet. My forehead's not pressing up against the front of the helmet. I can wear this helmet for a long time. I can ride for a long time wearing it now. It's so much more comfortable for me. Okay, if you think you're gonna void your warranty, or you have to get a new helmet, or you're gonna get seriously injured because of it, or you're gonna die because of it, then don't do it. Don't modify your helmet, okay? I'm just showing you guys what I did to modify my helmet for my comfort, okay? I got cauliflower ears. If you got cauliflower ears or big ears, this is just a suggestion. You don't have to do it. All right, we'll see you guys on the next video. Be safe out there.